Hey everybody, Wrenching with Bob here. Not doing much wrenching, but prepping for a trip. So I decided to get one of those fire starter things. This is what I got. Figure I'd try it out here and let everybody see how well it works. So there's one little packet in here. These packets, if it's not clear, they look like they're in plastic, but apparently this is some kind of a corn-based thing that will deteriorate quickly and isn't actually plastic. So in theory, light the corner and it burns for 10 minutes. We'll see how we do. I'll be the judge of that. Yeah, so I barely hit the corner, and sure enough, it's going. And I'm gonna put the package of more flammable stuff out of the way. Yeah, actually, that's quite impressive, actually. If you can see the flame leaping up there, but that's a good 5 inches of flame. That is surprising. I actually didn't think this was going to work very well. Some of the other ones that are a bit more fibrous had caught my eye, and I thought they might be a better answer, and I think I actually didn't buy the one that I really wanted to buy, but this is actually, that's pretty impressive. Yeah, that is pretty impressive. Wow. Let's see how it does when I try and blow it out. Wow, nothing doing. It didn't even think about it. That is really surprising how well that works. All right, I'm going to call this a winner. They say 10 minutes of burn time. I'm going to say 4. Where are we at? We're at coming up on 3 on this video at this point, and about half of it's gone, so maybe it's 6. All right, that is pretty darn cool, or pretty darn hot. Wrenching with Bob. Catch you later.